Tecell's ChargeSphere platform can dynamically shift power between charging modules in real time. No more waiting for manual adjustments or overloaded equipment. It's like having a traffic cop for your charging station. This isn't just about spreading the load. It's about optimizing performance. The system constantly monitors each module and redistributes power based on actual demand, so faster chargers get more juice when they need it. Imagine a busy fleet charging facility. As vehicles connect and disconnect, the system adapts instantly. It prevents any single module from maxing out while keeping the whole network running smoothly. This smart balancing is especially critical in high-density installations, where space and power are tight. It lets operators pack more chargers into a cabinet without risking overloads. For operators, this means fewer shutdowns, better uptime, and more reliable service. It's not just about efficiency, it's about peace of mind in a complex charging environment. If you're managing a large charging network, this kind of dynamic load balancing could be the difference between smooth operations and costly outages. Start optimizing your power use today.